Hey kitchen enthusiasts, ready to discover some brilliant ways to level up your cooking game? In today's video, I'm showcasing 30 must-have kitchen gadgets from Amazon that can save you time, reduce mess, and even inspire new recipes. Whether you're a busy parent seeking convenience or a foodie craving the latest gear, these items will help transform your everyday meals into culinary adventures. From smart appliances to handy organizers, each pick offers a fresh spin on classic cooking. Let's dive in and give your kitchen an instant upgrade. Tired of rummaging through a jumbled mess of spice jars? The adjustable spice rack organizer is here to bring order to your chaos. Designed with multiple tiers that expand or contract, it fits snugly in cabinets, drawers, or even on countertops. No matter how large or small your spice collection, each jar stays visible and easy to grab so you can sprinkle and season without skipping a beat. Constructed from durable, non-slip materials, the rack ensures jars won't topple over when you pull out a container in the middle of cooking. Whether you're storing basic spices like salt and pepper or an array of exotic blends, this expandable organizer keeps them neat, accessible, and ready to take your dishes to the next level. Make kitchen organization a breeze with this 3-tier kitchen rolling cart. Featuring 3 spacious shelves, it's perfect for storing anything from produce and beverages to heavy cookware. The sturdy metal frame handles up to 50 pounds per shelf, while the smooth rolling caster wheels let you move it wherever you need extra space next to the stove, near the dining table, or even in the pantry. 2 of the wheels lock in place to keep the cart steady when you're chopping veggies or mixing ingredients. The open wire design promotes airflow and easy visibility, so you can see exactly what's on each shelf. It also doubles as a stylish serving cart when hosting guests. With its compact footprint and sleek finish, this rolling cart brings mobility, organization, and a modern touch to any kitchen setup. Never overcook or underbake again with the digital kitchen timer. Engineered for precision, it ensures your meals come out just right every time. The large, easy-to-read display can be seen at a glance, even if your hands are busy chopping or stirring. A seriously loud alarm cuts through household noise, so you'll hear it from another room, no more missed beeps. The built-in magnet, fold-out stand, and hanging hook give you multiple placement options. Stick it on the fridge, stand it on the counter, or hang it on a hook near the stovetop. Designed with an intuitive start or stop button and separate minute or second controls, it's simple to adjust, even if your fingers are a bit messy from dough or spices. Perfect for multitasking, this timer helps with everything from boiling eggs to timing roasts, guaranteeing perfect doneness and letting you focus on enjoying the cooking process. Shed light on dark corners with the rechargeable LED motion sensor. Cabinet light. Ideal for kitchen cabinets, closets, or hallways, it instantly illuminates when it detects movement and switches off to save power after you leave. No cords or wiring needed, just attach the magnetic strip to your desired surface, and the light snaps on securely. Its built-in lithium battery recharges via USB, eliminating constant battery replacements. You can also adjust brightness levels or switch between motion sensing and always-on modes to match any situation. Keep everything visible when you're rummaging around late at night, and enjoy an ultra-sleek design that stays out of sight till you need it. Save cabinet space and streamline your prep with these collapsible silicone mixing bowls. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, each bowl pops open for mixing or serving, then flattens down to a fraction of its size. Perfect for camping trips, tiny kitchens, or just reducing clutter, they handle hot or cold ingredients effortlessly. Dishwasher safe and easy to store, fold, stack, and you're done. Chop garlic, onions, or herbs in seconds with this mini electric garlic chopper. One press is all it takes for perfectly diced ingredients, saving you time and tears. The USB rechargeable battery lets you prep anywhere, and its compact size fits even the smallest kitchen. Elevate your cooking game, minus the mess. Make hand washing more hygienic with this automatic touchless soap dispenser. Equipped with an infrared motion sensor, it dispenses just the right amount of soap, no need to touch grimy pumps. Perfect for busy kitchens or bathrooms, it helps reduce cross-contamination while adding modern convenience. The adjustable setting lets you fine-tune the dosage, saving soap and preventing spills. Craft with a waterproof casing, it stands up to daily splashes and wipes down easily. Refill the tank anytime through a wide opening that minimizes mess, and keep track of fluid levels thanks to the transparent window. Whether you're cooking with raw ingredients or just freshening up, a quick wave is all it takes to stay clean and safe. Elevate your kitchen's hygiene and convenience with this touchless motion sensor trash can. A wave of your hand triggers the infrared sensor, automatically lifting the lid so you can toss waste without touching anything. Perfect for busy cooks, it helps reduce cross-contamination during meal prep. The sealed design traps odors, and the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior keeps it looking pristine. Powered by standard batteries or an optional AC adapter, it features a quiet, reliable motor that won't disrupt your household. Once you've used a hands-free bin, you'll wonder how you ever managed with a regular pedal or flip-top can. Upgrade to a cleaner, more modern approach to waste disposal. Your kitchen deserves it. Streamline your baking routine with this magnetic measuring spoon set. Each spoon stacks neatly, held together by a strong magnet, so you won't lose track of any sizes. Dual-ended heads let you scoop both narrow spice jars and standard containers without a hassle. Clearly engraved measurements ensure precise cooking and easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Every home cook deserves a high-quality blade, and this ultra-sharp chef's knife delivers the goods. Forged from premium stainless steel, it glides through tough cuts of meat, dense vegetables, and delicate herbs with ease. The razor-sharp edge retains its keen finish longer, reducing the need for frequent honing. Meanwhile, the ergonomic non-slip handle offers a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during marathon prep sessions. Rust-resistant and perfectly balanced, it's an essential upgrade for your kitchen, whether you're slicing sashimi or dicing onions. Elevate your cooking routine with a knife designed to perform under pressure day after day. Say hello to effortless breakfast with the electric egg cooker. It steams up to 6 eggs at once, letting you choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled by adjusting the water level. The built-in buzzer alerts you when they're perfectly done, and its compact footprint is ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Want more variety? It handles poached eggs and omelets too. One button, no hassle, just perfect eggs. Cut down on single-use plastic with these silicone reusable food storage bags. Constructed from premium, BPA-free silicone, they're leak-proof, heat-resistant, and freezer-safe, making them perfect for everything from leftovers to sous vide cooking. Simply wash or toss them in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. Good for your kitchen, great for the planet. Turn your home kitchen into a stylish CAF with the electric milk frother. With just a single button press, it whips milk into a silky foam perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. The stainless steel whisk and powerful motor guarantee consistently velvety froth, while the insulated, non-stick interior makes cleanup quick and painless. Its compact footprint fits on any countertop without hogging space, and the whisper-quiet operation won't disturb family members in the morning. Whether you're experimenting with latte art or simply craving a cozy coffee break, this frother delivers CAF quality results at home, no barista skills required. Trade wasteful parchment paper for this eco-friendly silicone baking mat set. Each mat offers a non-stick surface that ensures cookies and pastries slide right off, no greasing needed. Safe up to 48°F, they distribute heat evenly for consistent browning. Cleaning is a snap, just rinse or toss them in the dishwasher. Ideal for rolling dough or candy making, these mats also help you avoid burnt bottoms and stuck-on residue. Make your baking greener, neater, and more delicious with this simple but game-changing upgrade. Store meals safely and neatly with these glass meal prep containers. The airtight, locking lid seal in freshness, preventing leaks whether you're refrigerating or taking lunch on the go. Made from tough borosilicate glass, they stand up to microwave heat and freezer chill. Stack them up, label them, and simplify your weekly cooking routine. Dry dishes smartly with this space-saving foldable dish rack. Its collapsible design unfolds to hold plates, cups, and utensils, letting water drip away through a built-in drainage slot. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs, it stows neatly in a cabinet when not in use. The durable, rust-proof material ensures longevity, while the lightweight frame makes setup effortless. Keep your counters clutter-free, just fold, tuck, and save space. Keep your sink area tidy with the 2-in-1 kitchen soap dispenser and sponge holder. Just press your sponge down on the pump to dispense the perfect amount of dish soap. No more squeezing bottles or messy drips. The integrated caddy stores your sponge, scrubber, or brush upright, letting excess water drain away. With a transparent reservoir, you'll always know when it's time for a refill. Built from sturdy, leak-proof plastic, it's designed to withstand daily use without clogging or leaking. Plus, it helps cut down on soap waste, since each press gives you exactly what you need. Simplify your dishwashing routine and say goodbye to cluttered countertops. This dispenser keeps your cleaning tools within arm's reach while staying neat and efficient. Achieve perfect doneness every time with this digital meat thermometer. The ultra-fast probe reads temperatures in just seconds, so you'll know exactly when your steak or roast hits the sweet spot. Featuring a bright, backlit LCD, it's easy to read even during late-night grilling sessions. The foldable design tucks neatly into a drawer, making it a must-have for barbecue lovers and home cooks alike. Enjoy crispy meals with less oil using this digital air fryer. Harnessing rapid air circulation technology, it cooks fries, wings, or veggies to golden perfection while cutting down on grease. The large, easy-to-navigate touchscreen offers presets for popular dishes, so you can press one button and let the fryer handle the rest. An adjustable temperature range and built-in timer give you complete control. Whether you're roasting veggies at a lower heat or cranking it up for that extra crisp finish, the roomy non-stick basket holds enough food to feed a hungry family, and cleanup is as simple as popping it in the dishwasher. Experience healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. Perfectly crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. Make fridge organization a breeze with these stackable storage bins. Constructed from clear, BPA-free plastic, they let you see exactly what's inside. No more digging for hidden veggies. The stackable design optimizes vertical space, perfect for condiments, produce, snacks, or leftovers. Built-in handles allow easy retrieval, and the sturdy walls help prevent spills. Say goodbye to overcrowded shelves and hello to a neat, efficient fridge that saves you time and hassle. Say farewell to cluttered drawers with this expandable bamboo drawer organizer. Tailor it to your kitchen's unique dimensions. Simply slide the sides to create extra compartments for utensils, cutlery, or gadgets. Made from sustainably sourced bamboo, it's durable, easy to wipe clean, and naturally resistant to odors. Perfect for transforming messy drawers into a neat, functional space in seconds. Upgrade your kitchen precision with this smart Wi-Fi kitchen scale, a sleek must-have for anyone serious about cooking or dieting. Measuring ingredients to the exact gram, it syncs real-time data to your phone, helping you track macros and portion sizes effortlessly. Whether you're baking an elaborate cake or monitoring daily calories, the high-precision sensors ensure consistent readings every single time. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly, with a crystal-clear display that's easy to see, even in low light. Built from tempered glass and a sturdy base, it blends seamlessly into modern kitchens and tucks away neatly in a drawer. Best of all, its Wi-Fi connectivity lets you pair it with popular nutrition apps, so you can automatically log your measurements without juggling pen and paper. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to pinpoint accuracy for all your culinary adventures. Tired of juggling multiple peelers? The 4-in-1 vegetable peeler and julienne cutter has you covered. Equipped with stainless steel blades on a rotating head, it peels, slices, and juliennes veggies in a snap. Switch functions simply by flipping the head, making cucumber ribbons one moment and julienne carrots the next. The ergonomic handle reduces wrist strain, while the dishwasher-safe design ensures easy cleanup. Compact yet versatile, it's the ideal tool for everything from prep work to garnishing dishes with a professional flourish. Dry dishes more efficiently with this adjustable over-the-sink dish rack. Designed to rest securely across most sink sizes, it frees up your counter from bulky drainers. The rust-resistant steel frame can hold plates, bowls, and utensils, letting water drip directly into the sink. With extendable arms and a removable utensil holder, you can tailor it to suit your specific needs. Keep your kitchen tidier with an all-in-one drying solution. Brew CAF-level coffee at home with the smart digital coffee scale. Precisely weigh your grounds and water, and use the built-in timer to perfect extraction. The slim design and backlit display make it easy to use anywhere. Elevate your coffee ritual with consistent, delicious results every time. Whip up fresh smoothies anytime with the portable USB rechargeable blender. Equipped with stainless steel blades and a robust motor, it crushes ice, fruit, and veggies in seconds. No wall outlet? No problem, its built-in battery charges via USB, so you can blend anywhere, from the office desk to hiking trails. The leak-proof lid prevents spills, while the detachable design makes cleanup fast and simple. Lightweight and compact, it slips easily into your bag or backpack. Whether you're craving a post-workout shake or a refreshing fruit blend on the go, this blender ensures every sip is smooth and satisfying. Take your food prep to the next level with the 5-in-1 Kitchen Mandolin Slicer, a versatile tool that tackles slicing, dicing, julienning, and more. Simply swap the stainless steel blades to cut paper-thin potato rounds for chips, create matchstick carrots for salads, or slice apples for a fruit tart. The adjustable thickness settings let you customize every cut to suit your recipe, whether you need a whisper-thin garnish or a chunkier chop. Safety comes first with the included handguard and a non-slip base that grips your counter to prevent accidents. Compact enough to store in a drawer, this slicer spares you from juggling multiple knives or clumsy cutting boards. Great for salads, stir-fries, meal prep, and more, it reduces your kitchen workload while delivering professional-looking results. Get ready to slice and dice like a seasoned chef in a fraction of the usual time. Enjoy crisp, pure-tasting water with the stainless steel water filter pitcher. Equipped with a high-grade filtration cartridge, it reduces common contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and sediment, improving both taste and safety. The sleek stainless steel exterior keeps water cooler longer, while the comfortable grip handle makes pouring effortless. Designed with a large capacity, it caters to family gatherings or everyday hydration needs. A handy filter life indicator tells you when it's time to replace the cartridge, so you'll never be caught with subpar water quality. Perfect for the dinner table, office desk, or weekend get-togethers, this pitcher ensures you always have refreshing, filtered water on hand. No need to keep buying plastic bottles. Uncork your favorite vintage in seconds with the compact electric wine opener set. Just align it over the bottle, press a button, and watch the cork glide out, no twisting required. The sleek design and included foil cutter add a polished touch, making it an ideal gift or personal indulgence for wine lovers. Keep your coffee beans at peak freshness with this stainless steel coffee canister. Its airtight lid and built-in CO valve preserve flavor by letting excess gas escape while sealing out air. The included stainless steel scoop nestles neatly on the side, so you'll never misplace it again. With a sleek brushed finish and a date tracker on top, you can monitor how fresh your beans are. Enjoy richer, more aromatic coffee every morning, no stale grounds in sight.